कमाल है। जवाब वो मांग सकता है जिसे पता है पहलगाम में क्या त्रासदी हुई, लेकिन जिसे यही नहीं पता, जो यही नहीं बताना चाहता कि त्रासदी क्या हुई, वो क्या जवाब मांग रहा है। गौरव भाटिया, बिफोर आई कम टू यू, आनंद रंगनाथन।
Navika, this is right before our eyes. This is how this country has behaved over the last 70 years. This is how we have been brainwashed. And this is how Hindu phobia prospers. You have the live example in front of you. What more can I say? This gentleman is doubting, is insinuating whether the religion was asked or not. And years from now...
अरे आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं भाई, आप झूठ बोल रहे हो, आप झूठ बोल रहे हो हमेशा।
मैंने आपको इंटरप्ट किया।
आप बात सुनेंगे नहीं और आप मीडिया के थ्रू आप अपना उसको कंक्लूड करेंगे। मैंने क्या कहा है, आप हिंदू मुस्लिम पर लेकर
हिंदू मुस्लिम किसने किया, हिंदू मुस्लिम किसने किया, विक्टिम्स की आवाजें आप तक नहीं पहुंचती। ये दिल तोड़ने वाली बात है बादशाह आलम जी। गौरव भाटिया, the victim's account is now being questioned. How can anybody even bear this? And is this the politics of polarization, vote bank politics that we were talking about?
Navika, 11 years and maybe 20 more, as Amit Shah ji said today, they will be in the opposition. And the reason is very simple. They even doubt the versions of the victims. And yes, we lost 25 Indians, but it's also true they were targeted. 24 out of the 26 that we lost were targeted because they were Hindus. So there was a communal angle to the terrorist attack. And what is the problem? The problem is their appeasement politics. They treat terrorists also as their vote bank. They feel that if they will start siding with the Hindus, then they will lose their precious vote bank. And even if the vote bank is illegal infiltrators, terrorists, and people who take law in their own hands. And that is why it is most condemnable, unpardonable, and shameful that we have an opposition.
Absolutely, and that's what people of India believe. We are getting questions, and please hear these questions. Radhakrishna, present Congress party, Radhakrishna says, present Congress party, the INC has become Islamabad National Congress. Sukumar Sharadama says, Mahadev is the most appropriate name. He's the destructor of evil. Subhash Vyas says, India is a Hindu nation. No need for leftist hypocrisy. और याद दिला दूं विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी, सीपीएम के नेता थे सीताराम येचुरी। सीताराम communal? Sitaram Yechuri communal? Well, I leave you to ponder on that question, Vivek Srivastava.